First year BE BTech, subject code 19ME202, subject name Calculus and Laplace Transform. Unit 5, Laplace Transforms. So already we discussed in this unit periodic functions. This one is the second videos. The outline is properties of Laplace transform, Laplace transform formula, then basic problems. So in this outlines, in this properties we get 2 more questions. The formula is a very important one for finding the solutions. So here is we have more than 15 formulas, but that 15 formula is must. We have to read carefully here without doing any mistakes. Then the following basic problems. So first we shall discuss the basic problems. Then after you have to go through the 8 more questions. So first, definition of Laplace transform. So this definitions already I gave in the previous video. So again I can recall here. So let f of t be a function of variable t which is defined for all positive value t. Then L of f of t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So this is the exponential order. These are functions f of t with respect to dt. Interval is 0 to infinity. So this can be written as L of f of t equal to capital F of s. Sometimes the problem is based on f of s is given. So don't confuse the notations here. So L of f of t equal to f of s. So Laplace transform formula. So here is we have several formulas present here, but don't go through all the formulas. So I will tell which formula is important one. We must study that formula is compulsory here. So first one is 1 here, that is L of 1. What is L of 1 formula? 1 by s. L of t means 1 by s square. L of t square means 2 divided by s cube. So general formula is L of t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Then L of sin at, a divided by s square plus a square. Then L of cos at, s divided by s square plus a square. So these two formulas are very important one. So sin at means the numerators must be in a. Cos at means the numerator must be in s. So these two are very important difference here. So be careful for studying the formulas. Next one is L of e power at. So L of e power at is 1 by s minus a. Suppose there is positive value is given means we write 1 by s minus a. Suppose here is minus is given means we can write 1 by s plus a. That is the formulas here. Okay. So next one is a multiple of e power at formula. That is the shifting properties. So L of e power at cos bt can be written as s minus a divided by s minus a whole square plus b square. So how can remember this formula means we know that what is L of cos at? S divided by s square plus a square. So replace s in terms of s minus a. Why you are replacing s minus a means here is e power at, there is a positive value is given means we can replace s in terms of s minus a. Suppose here is negative value is given means we can replace s plus a. That is a simple thing is where s occurs means we can replace s in terms of s minus a or s in terms of s plus a. Similarly e power at sin bt means b divided by s minus a whole square plus b square. But here is we have only one s is present, so we can replace that s here. Then everything must be like a shifting properties and a change of scale property must be present here. So already I told which formula we can learn means I can tell that formulas. So we can follow that one is compulsory here. So next we shall pass on through the problem. So problem number 1. Compute the Laplace transform of e power at. So Laplace transform is this one is f of t is given. Okay. So what is Laplace transform formula? L of f of t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t. It's a formula. So replace e power minus st is a fixed one. So replace f of t in terms of e power at. So minus at, then dt, that is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power. Here I can take one minus outside. Already this one is plus, so we can take minus outside. So e power minus s minus a into t dt. Why you are writing this one means, so we know that the formula integration of e power at. What is the integration of e power at? E power at divided by a. For same ditto, here is we can write e power at divided by a. So minus is given, we can write minus here. So limit is 0 to infinity. So replace t equal to infinity, then t equal to 0. So e power minus infinity minus e power 0. We can take 1 by s minus a outside here. So e power minus infinity is always 0. Anything power 0 must be in 1. So therefore answer is 1 by s minus a. So L of e power at is nothing but 1 divided by s minus a. Suppose here is negative value is given, means the formula must be 1 divided by s plus a. Okay. So next problem. Find the Laplace transform of 1. There is a constant is given. Thus, so write down the Laplace transform formulas. Replace f of t equal to 1 here. Then we can integrate e power minus st is nothing but e power minus st divided by minus s. Interval is 0 to infinity. Then apply the upper limit and lower limit. So already I told what is e power minus infinity. That one is 0. Anything e power 0 is nothing but 1. So we get 1 by s. Next, find the Laplace transform of 1 by root t. So again write the formula for L of f of t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So replace f of t in terms of 1 by root t. So 1 by root t is present. So next we can take the reciprocal. So root t is nothing but t power 1 by 2. So we can take the reciprocal means t power minus 1 by 2. So this is nothing but the Bernoulli's formula we can apply here, or by using the substitution method to find the solutions. So first we can replace what is st. First we can take this st equal to x, then differentiate with respect to t and x on both sides. So dt equal to ds by s. This s comes from cross multiplying, we get this value. So next we can find the limits also. If t equal to 0 means x equal to 0. T equal to infinity means x equal to infinity. So write the formulas as it is. Then replace st is nothing but x. Then t is nothing but what is t here? X by s. Then whole power minus 1 by 2. Then dx by s. So next we can integrate with respect to x here. So 1 by root s. That is here is root power s power minus 1 by 2. Here is s power 1 means we can cancelling 1 by 2. So we get root s. Then 0 to infinity e power minus x, x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. That is equal to, this is a formula e power minus x into root x. That is 1 by x formula. That is e power x divided by x. Dx is nothing but root f 5 by s. That is actual formulas here. Okay. Next, compute the Laplace transform of L of 2t plus 3. So these are additions of two function is given. So first we can multiply L of 2t then plus L of 3 here. So L of 2t plus L of 3. So here is I can take 2 outside, 2 is constant term. So 2 into L of t plus here is I can take 3 outside. So 3 into L of 1. Y means we know the formula for L of t. Again similarly we know the formula for L of 1. What is L of t? 1 by s square. What is L of 1? 1 by s. So we get the required solutions. So whenever you know the Laplace transform formula means the problem must be like easiest one. Otherwise the problem must be difficult one. So next. So compute the Laplace transform of L of e power 2t plus 3 times of e power minus 5t. Similarly same procedures, you can multiply L into e power 2t plus L into 3 into e power minus 5t. These 3 is constant term, we can take outside. What is L of e power at formula? Here is positive, so 1 by s minus a. What is a here? A is 2, so we can replace 2 here. Similarly L of e power minus at, 1 by s plus a. Here is minus is given means we can write the formula must be in plus. So replace a equal to 5. So we get the required solutions. Next, apply the Laplace transform of L of cos square t. So for L of cos square t there is no formula, so you can replace this cos square t by using trigonometric formulas. So cos square t is nothing but 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2. So next we can multiply L here, so 1 by 2 we can take outside, then L of 1 plus cos 2t. Again we can multiply L of 1 plus L of cos 2t. So what is L of 1? 1 by s. What is L of cos at formula? S by s square plus a square. What is a here? 2. So 2 square is 4. So problem is over. So next, find the Laplace transform of L of e power 4t cos h 5t. So we know the formula for cos at. What is cos at? E power at plus e power minus at divided by 2. The same formula you can replace here. So next we can multiply e here. So e power 14 into e power 5t is nothing but e power 9t plus e power 14 into e power minus 5t is e power minus t. Then we know the formula for e power at. Then we know the formula for e power minus at. So replace here, we get the required solutions. The next one is obtained L of e power 2t cos 5t. These are multiple of e power 2t into cos 5t. These are shifting properties. So shifting property means just we can write the formula for cos at. What is cos at? S by s square plus a square. Then replace s in terms of s plus a. What is s here? A, s plus a means what is a here? 2. So we can replace s plus 2. But the formula must be here given is e power positive value. So you can take s minus a. So s minus 2. So this is a formula for cos at. So s divided by s square plus a square. A is 5 here. 5 square is 25. So replace s goes to s minus 2. So s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 whole square plus 25. So first we can replace this value. We can use in the formulas that this e power 2t can be written as s goes to s minus 2. For every problem we can write the similar manner. Next one is obtained L of e power minus at sin bt. The same shifting properties here. So what is sin bt formula? B by s square plus b square. So for this e power minus st can be written as s goes to s plus a. Here is minus is given, so you can take plus value. So replace s in terms of s plus a. So we get the required solutions. The last problem is find the Laplace transform of e power minus t into 3 times of sin h2t minus 5 cos h2t. So here is we can write two cases here. So we know the formula for cos h at, then cos h sin h at. So cos h at is nothing but s divided by s square minus a square. But here is pluses were written. Suppose hyperbolic function means we can take minus. Similarly for sin means a divided by a square minus a square. So using that formulas we can write the solutions here. It is same shifting property we can apply here. So we get the final answers 6 divided by a square minus 4 minus 5s divided by a square minus 4. So simplifying this we get 6 minus 5s divided by a square minus 4. But here is given as a multiple of e power minus t. So these are shifting properties. So we can replace where is s is present. We can replace s in terms of s minus 1 or s plus 1. But here is minus is given. We can take s plus 1. So replace s in terms of s plus 1. We get the final answers. So important thing is the shifting properties can be written as multiple of e power at into some function is given. Means for that case first we can replace the functions by using Laplace transform formulas. Then after replace where is s is present, we can replace s in terms of s plus a or s in terms of s minus a based on the given problem. So these are very important properties. So this property is using the convolution theorem also. So prepare well based on the shifting properties. Okay, thank you.